Look at that ass when he wiggles. That guy walks it out. Can you step forward so I may see the jiggles? Why are you guys so surprised by this commentary? It's quite plain and simple. Ooh, he's totally posing. He wants her. Mr. Dinas, do not sit on his face. It will hurt.
Why
That
not?
face will hurt a lot. I think he's wasted.
I think you're wasted.
No, actually, I'm quite hyper without the wastedness.
This is Megan as she normally is.
Yes, I'm quite normal.
I'd make you
Normal?
With the quotation signs and the peace signs where you go normal, normal.